Data and information collection is a vital component of effective socio-economic government intervention to ensure that welfare programs are properly implemented and accurately targeted at the most essential areas and the right individuals. The leadership of Apapa Local Government has launched the Apapa Constituency Residents Palliative Economic Generic Data Program. The flag of event was held at the council premises in the presence of council officials, community leaders, party leaders, and ward representatives. The council manager, Oluwatoyin Sonate, stated that the initiative demonstrates the local government's commitment to transparent welfare interventions, equitable distribution of local government resources, and proper documentation of residents. She added that the program will ensure no resident is left behind during developmental and policy planning within the municipality.
Today marks a significant step in our collective commitment to transparency, accountability, and fairness in the distribution of government support to our people. At a time when many households are facing economic challenges, it is our duty as a government to ensure that help reaches to those who truly need it, and that every intervention is guided by proper documentation and accurate data. Well, the purpose of this exercise is just to know every eligible resident and to identify them. No one is left out due to lack of information. Palliatives are distributed in an orderly, transparent, and equitable manner. Government resources should be able to reach the vulnerable, the elderly, widows, physically challenged persons, and low-income households who need support the most. So, by capturing accurate data, we are strengthening the foundation of service delivery in our local governments, the Port City Council. Under the leadership of this administration, we are committed to policies and programs that improve the welfare of our people. This data capturing initiative aligns with our broader vision of enhancing social protection services, promoting inclusive governance, and ensuring that every resident feels the impact of government support.
The logistics facilitator and managing director of Exceptional Logistics Nigeria Limited, Oyekunle Moses, explained that the teams will move across strategic traffic points within the municipality to gather residents' information and facilitate their registration cards. He further revealed that designated locations will soon be announced where residents can visit to have their details captured.
The good thing about this card, it has a two-way verification. What do I mean? Like our Honorable Vice said earlier, some people might go and do the card somewhere. No. We are making it in such a way that it will be two-way verification. It will have a thumbprint and also your facial confirmation. So it's a two-way verification, no duplication. On that card and on that database, we have your LASTRA number there. We have your NIN number there. So there is no way you are going to put that card will also reflect.
During an interactive session, residents shared observations and suggestions on expanding data coverage and ensuring practical access for all. The vice chairman of the local government, Ganiu Ismail, noted that the initiative will enhance economic planning and broaden access to socio-economic development, especially for underserved communities, urging residents to actively participate in the exercise.
I will advise the masses that they should embrace this idea because they are going to be the beneficiary of this. Because some of them will be writing assistance letter to the local government for one or two things. Without this, their ID card, local government won't honor it anymore. They must know this, that whatever they need from local government, this ID card will be requested before anything can be given to them. So now, the issue of we have not been seeing anything. It's now part of things. This time around, they will definitely see what belongs to them at the local government.
Economically, it will help the populace to advance in their livelihood and in their economic livelihood, because the local government will be able to identify their needs, their challenges, like supporting traders in their ventures, helping the youth to develop skills through skill acquisition. And if you don't have the data of all these people, the stakeholders, the people who live in Apapa, you cannot plan to develop them economically. And once the local government has this data in their hands, they will know what the needs of each stakeholders in the local government are, and then they'll be able to, direct the resources of local government to develop them economically, and thereby the general economy of the local government itself will be boosted.
Community leaders commended the initiative and pledged to sensitize residents within their communities about its benefits, encouraging full participation.
What I had today and what I hear today, I will download it when I get to my community. And all my chairman of each city must download it, as I do, because I will let them know.
In actual fact, I really credit the able chairman for bringing this initiative. The reason being that, like in Nigeria now, we don't know how many people that are living in Nigeria. We don't know how many people are coming in. We don't know how many people have gone. So this database will help Apapa Local Government to know how many people that are living in Apapa. And secondly, it will know how the council will plan for the masses in Apapa.
With this initiative, Apapa Local Government reaffirms its resolve to build a more inclusive, data-driven, and development-focused community where every resident counts.